Believe in your creativity. Every line makes magic. Sketchy! Hello friends, I'm a happy flower. Meet Sketchy Magic Pen. He will guide us step by step, so drawing becomes easy and fun together.
Hello everyone! I'm Sketchy, the magic pen, ready to help you draw amazing things.
My creative friends, let's draw together. Let's start with a big circle. This circle will be the base of our flower. Now, petals are growing around me. It's so magical and I love it. Wow, look at that. Hee, so cute. I love watching this. Aw, so sweet. I love spreading joy with every line. Look, I'm turning into a happy flower. Wow, look at that. He's so cute. I love watching this. Aw, so adorable. I'm just a little outline now, but soon I'll bloom into something beautiful. I'm all outlined and ready. Let's add some beautiful colors next. Here come my little eyes, starting with a soft black shine. A warm yellow glow. Now my center feels bright and happy. Here comes my lovely pink petals. Now I'm starting to look super cute. My colors are shining so bright! Thank you, friends, for drawing with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Sketchy and watch our next fun video, The Cute Lion. Join us, subscribe. Let's grow this happy world together.